What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my personal investing strategy that I use to pick up dozens of altcoins and how I use this to continue diversifying my crypto portfolio and getting a strong passive income going as well. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell if you want to be notified when I make new crypto videos. Alright guys, so we're going to discuss a strategy I use to acquire many different altcoins and continue to diversify my portfolio while growing the overall value of my portfolio at the same time. So this is kind of an exit strategy at the same time and how I pick altcoins as well. So a few days ago I did a poll on Twitter here. I do recommend you guys follow me on Twitter at JRNYcrypto to get regular updates throughout the day. Especially if you want stuff as it's breaking and crypto news and everything, definitely follow me on Twitter. So I asked how many cryptocurrencies do you hold? The majority, 50%, said 6 to 20 altcoins. Even 7.5% have 21 to 50 altcoins, which that's the range I'm in at this point. But when I did start, I started with 2 to 5 around the mid 2017, where I was starting to dollar cost average. After that bull market, I did start expanding as I did my research and found different altcoins I liked. And then I went up to 6 to 20, and now I'm at 21 to 50 after I've made huge profits in different altcoins and have taken out my initial investment and continued to take out small pieces of profit and diversifying into other altcoins, even buying back into some of the other altcoins when there is a great opportunity. So like I did state in my 1K to 10K trading series, if I was starting with a smaller amount like that, I wouldn't be as diversified because then you're going to be stressed out more. You're going to have to research and put more time into it, and you're not going to make as much profit. So starting with a larger amount, you can be more diversified in my opinion. Keep in mind, all of this isn't financial advice. This is just my personal opinion and examples on what I personally do. So if I was starting over brand new in the cryptocurrency space with $20,000 or less, I would just start with 2 to 5 cryptocurrencies here. And I'd probably keep dollar cost averaging into these until I have huge profits on a couple of them. And then that's when I would pull out my initial investment and then diversify further. It depends on the type of person you are though as well. Some people don't like investing in the smaller cap altcoins that are much higher risk. Especially if you're new to the cryptocurrency space, you should definitely avoid small cap cryptocurrencies until you get more educated, have some experience. And a lot of people that are newer like to start with smaller percentages of their portfolio when they're going into small cap cryptocurrencies because it is much higher risk, and most likely you're going to be buying in because of FOMO unless you know how to find hidden gems and really dig those up and really put in the dozens of hours it requires in research to find these small cryptocurrencies at their opportune time. So if you do want to learn more and get more educated about cryptocurrencies and see some examples on how I do dollar cost averaging and my exit strategy and everything, definitely check out my cryptocurrency guides playlist. I am working on adding more videos to this every week now and providing as much value as possible here. So there will be a link to this cryptocurrency guides playlist in the top right of this video. All right guys, so my strategy to diversify my cryptocurrency portfolio and continue to pick up more and more altcoins. So an example I am going to use is Axie Infinity AXS token. As I did mention in yesterday's video, I did buy into this around the time that they launched on Binance, around 50 cents. I did dollar cost average and bought a couple times throughout here. And what I do is I take out my initial investment once I have a big enough profit that I'm happy with. So you should write down with each altcoin you buy what price range you would be happy with taking out your initial investment. Usually I do this anywhere from 2 to 5x. And then if you are up 5x and you take out your initial investment, you still have a lot of coins left and you can let that ride and then sell pieces of that as it goes up further. So it depends on the coin and everything in your personal strategy. I would recommend sitting down and doing a exit strategy for each coin that you do purchase. So in general for mine, I do like to take out my initial investment because then everything that's left is all profit. And as the coin continues to grow, I could take pieces of profit out of that and then reinvest into other altcoins I think are more promising in the short term. So this does allow you to keep some of the altcoin at the same time you pulled out your initial investment. There's no stress left on it. You can buy other altcoins with that you think have great opportunity as well. So like I said, it does depend on the altcoin. If you think the altcoin has peaked out and it's not going to keep going up, and you're not too fond of the crypto project and their vision and everything, you may want to take out much more than just your initial investment. So that is up to you and your personal strategy. So in general, I do like to take out my initial investment like I did here, and then I just let the rest ride. And as you guys can see, that did go up 10x. So since taking out my initial investment and AXS going up more, I have taken out another 20% or so and just letting the rest ride to see if the project continues growing, because we are in a bull market and this project is in NFT and gaming space. Keep in mind, this is not an altcoin recommendation. This is at a peak price and is high risk. So I have done this with dozens of altcoins and it's been very successful. And then if you do see great opportunities for other altcoins that you already sold some from, like if you did sell and took out your initial investment on an altcoin and then it crashes 40 to 50%, it's a project you want to hold long term, and you see a good opportunity, then you can jump back in again. This does allow you to catch some profits here and there. So it is good to take some profits, at least your initial investment, in my opinion, because that does take the stress out of it. Even if the project disappears and crashes, at least you took out the initial investment. Anything that disappears and goes to zero was all profit anyways. So I'm going to give you guys an example here on a spreadsheet. I do recommend creating something like this just to keep track of everything. I put this together in just a few seconds, so I would recommend putting some more time into this and documenting everything you do so you can keep track. And then I would put an exit strategy here as well, where you would be happy taking profit for each altcoin. All right, guys, so I will show you a quick example here. We'll use StormX and we'll use shopping.io SPI token. So purchase price, we bought that in the trading series at 1 cent. So keep in mind, I haven't taken or sold any of the StormX in the trading series, but outside of the trading series, I was holding STMX and I have taken out my initial investment on that. And I'm just staking the majority of what I have left of that and earning some great passive income that's paid out every Sunday. So definitely check out the StormX app if you haven't. You can actually earn crypto cash back from eBay and some other purchases as well. So number of coins, you would just write how many coins you got for how much you spent, and then here you would put the sell price where you took out your initial investment, and then the remaining coin balance that you have, your exit strategy over here, and some notes. So this is thrown together really quickly. I do recommend putting some more time into this, but it is good to have an exit strategy for every altcoin you buy. Take some notes on your thoughts on the project and everything, where you plan to take your initial investment out. So for most projects, I do try to wait for 2 to 5x, especially if the project is bullish in the short term. So with StormX, we bought it at 1 cent. It's now 7 to 8 cents. So just taking out your initial investment at somewhere along the way. And then if you want to sell pieces along the way as well as it goes up more, say every 2 cents it goes up, you want to take out another 15 to 20% profit. So with certain projects, it is good to just stake and earn passive income as well. There's so many passive income opportunities in this current bull market. That's really what I've been focusing on, is long-term projects that I really believe in, have a great team, building token utility, and have these passive income opportunities. StormX and SPI, shopping.io, SparkPoint, pretty much every small altcoin I'm in has passive income opportunities. And I will be doing another video on this as well, giving you guys examples on how much passive income you can make per month. So just for example, I'll fill out the StormX one. Let's say we bought 1 million coins at that 1 cent. So we would have, that would then be 10 grand for 1 million StormX coins. 1 million times 0.01 cent, $10,000. And then our sell price, let's say we took out our initial investment, which was 10 grand when it was at 5 cents. So your 1 million would then be worth $50,000. So taking out your initial investment of $10,000 from that. So we would do $10,000 divided by our sell price of 5 cents. We would be selling 200,000 StormX to get our initial investment back of $10,000. So our remaining balance would be 800,000 StormX that we have. That's all profit. We could stick that in StormX staking and just let that earn passive income that's paid out on a weekly basis as the project builds and grows more and everything. So as you guys can imagine, this is a very powerful investing strategy that I use to pick up more and more altcoins while still building up a great altcoin portfolio, and then use some of these altcoins to earn passive income. Of course, some projects that I don't believe in for the long term, and it was more of just a midterm hold for me, I might sell the entire thing or 75%, depending on where I see the project going and their developments and updates. So for StormX, I would definitely let this ride and earn passive income on this, and then stick that $10,000 into another altcoin that has bullish events coming up and that I think has high potential as well. And then that just keeps growing. You take your initial investment out of that new coin that you picked up. As you guys can imagine, starting with around 5 coins like this and doing this strategy, you can get up to 20 to 50 coins pretty quickly in a bull market. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share the video anywhere on social media or with friends and family that may also find this content useful. And don't forget to go over to my channel here and check out the cryptocurrency guides playlist. Do have some other playlists here as well with awesome content, and I do a few different trading series if you guys want to actually follow my trades and see what type of trades I'm doing to try to learn from that as well. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.